G'day guys, my name's iRideTaz and this is Doug, my 2017 Royal Enfield Classic 500 in chrome and graphite. Beautiful bike, but one thing he does lack is rubberized grips. From the factory it comes with these hard plastic grips and they're really good at sort of transmitting the vibration through the bars into your hands, and they're also just very uncomfortable for long rides. I'm not sure what they were thinking. These would be, in my opinion, no more or less expensive than a proper grip. What I wanted to try and present was these. They're called Pussy Grips. They're a motorcycle comfort grip, and they go over your existing grips to sort of help absorb vibration and help change the diameter and give you a more comfortable ride. And more comfortable ride tends to mean less fatigue and less danger. Supposedly they're pretty easy to put on, so all we have to do is open the packaging, spray some soapy water, and then just push them on and they dry over your standard factory grips. Easy job, 10-minute job. Heard that before, but let's give it a go. There's the grip there. It's neoprene by the feel of it, so thick wetsuit material, and it seems to have a glue in up underneath, which is what the water and detergent's going to activate. Most useless spray bottle in the world. There we go. So this is just detergent water. And of course I'm going to have to take the bar end off. Oh shit. There we go. Wow, that was tight. So just an Allen key to get the bar end off. Try again. Yeah, perfect. Just make sure it goes over that lip so it doesn't foul the throttle. And then we'll put a bar end back on. That was hella tight, so we'll just nip it up. Check our throttle, it's not fouling in any way. Sits in the confines of the original grip. Perfect, let's do the other side. So with the engine running, you can feel that already it's taken some of the vibes out of the bars. I like the wider diameter. Greater circumference means your hands are more open, it's more spongy, feels like you've got better grip, better control. But the real test will be out on the road, guys, so let's suit up and take it out. Just out road testing the Pussy Grips, motorcycle comfort grips. On Doug, 2017 Royal Enfield Classic 500.
really changed the feel of the bars and the comfort levels. So they've changed the diameter quite significantly. So instead of feeling like you're gripping the bars, your hands are out, more open. There's more cushioning on the palms, more cushioning on your fingers. Excellent product. Genuinely very simple to install. Already cut to length, but you can cut them down to suit your particular bike. When I searched for them on eBay, I searched for Pussygrips Royal Enfield, and up they came, and they're the perfect length, pre-cut. All you're doing is spraying some soapy water on, acts as a lubricant, and it seems to maybe activate some glue. And you just push, pull and twist them on, let them dry, and they fit perfectly. I can't feel any twist. They're not wanting to rotate around the original grips. Very comfortable. I'm really very impressed with them. There isn't much more to say, really. Check them out. Pussygrips motorcycle comfort grips. Just be a little bit aware of what you're potentially going to get if you Google search that. But check them out. Guys, my name's REA. Till next time, these are the Royal Enfield Adventures, and I am out.